Now, what we're now going to look at is that cycle midpoint concept. So we're kind of at this $30,000 level. There's a chart we'll look at in just a second that will help put that into a bit of context. But really what I want to do here is kind of divide the Bitcoin price in half. Everything that's above 30,000 and everything that's below 30,000. And in particular, I don't particularly care about sub 15K. That's kind of old school hodlers. We're talking about 15K to 30K. That kind of block is where we've spent the last year, more or less, trading around. And above that level is kind of the 2021 to 22 bull cycle. So you've kind of got people who are underwater, people who are in the green, right? We're going to split it that way. Now, what you might notice is that this is our volume profile where all of the coins on chain were last acquired. You can see that the 15 to 30K range is pretty hefty. There's a lot of supply that has changed hands down here. And if you've been watching this channel for a long time, we had the exact opposite at the bull market peak. There was a lot of supply up here at the 50, 60, 70,000 level and not much down below. That is a top heavy market. This looks a lot like a bottom heavy market. There's been a lot of supply transferred, capitulated, sold at a loss down to buyers who picked it up between 15 and 30. There's been a lot of accumulation that's gone on down here. Now, that, of course, that doesn't necessarily mean that this level has to hold. If we trade down below this, of course, it becomes a top heavy market, right, relative to where price is. But it also shows that there's been a lot of demand and there's a lot of people who are now in a much better position. It's easier to hold a coin that you acquired at 15K than 70. You have to ask this guy up here what he's feeling at the moment. Right? He's probably forgotten about it, to be honest. So it's kind of giving you a view that these are old school hodlers, right? Who've kind of, they're survivors of the bear market. These are old school hodlers. And these ones here in the middle is that accumulation that happened over the last 12 months.